Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 8th, 2022. Sandbox. Yeah, there's still some insane potential that could happen in this particular cryptocurrency. I'm going to talk about that today on this video without the confusion. So welcome to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do price predictions. You guys can see it right now in front of you. I do price predictions regarding where I think price is going to go so that we can get in position and win in the market. This is how you're able to get an edge against everyone else. Everyone else is trying to get an edge amongst us. So we need to try to get something back on them so that we can win and dominate in the cryptocurrency space. So if you guys want to join the team, hit me up. Keep it locked in here. Hit that like button, share the video. Also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because I'm going to keep it real. You guys want to be notified whenever I see any changes occurring on the price charts. So now let's talk about Sandbox. You guys can see it. I mean, I don't have to convince you that the price in Sandbox is weak right now. I don't have to convince you. You guys can visually tell that this cryptocurrency is in fact in a downtrend. Yeah, look at it. This cryptocurrency is massively in an entrenched downtrend. So I shouldn't come through and have to come in and convince you saying that the market in Sandbox is still weak. No, that is still the trend on the chart. All right. So that's the first thing. Now, where could this insane potential come through for Sandbox? Well, it's going to come through right here. Okay. Around $2.45, to which the market buyers have not allowed price to fall right here. This support area is still playing a vital role in keeping Sandbox price up. Now, we cannot let the price break that though. We cannot let price in Sandbox break. So this is my concern right here. I just circled it for you. This is where our attention is going to be in the market for Sandbox. We need to pay attention because one of these lines is going to break. Yeah, one of them is going to break. And as we do this video today, we're trying to gauge which one is more likely to break. Is the buyers, will they overcome this and break it out to the upside? Or will the sellers break that support area to the downside? This is our conundrum. This is what we have to pay attention to. This is our issue that we need to try to predict and figure out, because if Sandbox is going to break down, then we want to, if anything, not buy the coin until price becomes more attractive. If the market in Sandbox is going to break out of this descending line, then we want to cut the prediction now of what I've done on February 22nd and play the strength and play the upside in Sandbox. It's just that simple, right? So let's see. Let me show you a different time frame. This is the 3 weeks time frame into the market in Sandbox, and this is it. Okay, I don't see any strength here on Sandbox on the 3 weekly time frame. I don't. The reason why I say that is because of this right here. I don't like that. We should not have seen that bar be formulated if the price was strong. If people was really buying the market in Sandbox, that 3 week price bar would not be here today. But it is. So I really want to emphasize how much weight is being pushed on this horizontal line of $2.45. I cannot stress that enough, how important it is for the buyers to keep price up right there. Because if not, what do you think about this? Do you suspect, okay, check this out. Do you suspect that the price in Sandbox will come all the way down here to like $1.50, $1.65? Because this is the trend. Like, let's keep it a buck. This is the long-term trend in the market in Sandbox. Right here, it started on June of last year, 2021. This is where price is really keeping itself up on. So let's say that the market buyers could not keep Sandbox price above $2.45. Then the next area that we need to lie and pay attention to is this ascending line to see the next area of the buyers. Now, consider that, because you're not going to get that anywhere else. Look at this. Just completed last month, February. And we're still seeing weakness. So from a long-term perspective, this cryptocurrency is weak. Like I told you earlier in the video, we should not be surprised though. This is it on the 13-hour time frame. Okay. What do you suspect? You think the market's going to go up? Do you think the market's going to go down? Because this is literally where the buyers are trying to approach the market in Sandbox now. Right here. Okay, so you guys can see how many times Sandbox came and bounced off of this area. We've done it 3 times. This is the 3rd time right now of the market in Sandbox holding $2.70. Okay. So really, it's all about how you're going to play the market. If you're going to be in the market on a short-term basis, i.e. hourly time frame, yeah, you can actually play some strength here on the chart. But if you're playing this from the 3-weekly time frame, the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, we're still seeing a lot of weakness here on the chart. Okay. We're still seeing it, especially right here on last week. This is the reason why I'm still playing the weakness into the market in Sandbox for the long term. Now, my long-term thesis is more or less like weekly to monthly time frame. I'm not one of these ones to hold coins for 15, 20, 30,000 years. No, it's only a select few that you need to be doing those type of plays with. And last week price hikes in Sandbox is letting me know that this coin is still weak. So if anything, I'm still looking for the price to come down and try to test, what was that, $2.50 to $2.45, give or take. That's where I'm looking for the price to try to come in and find the buyers. So all in all, depending on your time preference, it's going to let you know what I'm looking forward to in terms of price movement. Shorter time frame, hourly, yes, we can see a small movement higher, but as long as we continue to get rejected on this downtrend line, guess what? Yeah, we're going to continue to go lower, and then the pressure of us seeing price break $2.45 is going to happen. We just need to get prepared for it, right? So basically, what happened last week is telling us that the buyers failed. Yeah, the price tried to break out of the descending line and it failed. The buyers did not achieve their objective. And when you see this type of price action, you need to say, all right, cool, the market's just not ready yet. I'll wait until we continue to see where the buyers are going to show up. And they're not here yet. Okay. So I'm not going to change my price prediction, just kind of like a follow-on video from my last video, which was on the 22nd of February. But this is where the insane potential is at. We cannot let price break $2.45. The buyers has to show up. That is where the potential could be. But from what I'm seeing on the long term, that potential is, it may come all the way down here. You see that as I zoomed out of the chart? This may be where that insane potential is going to be at. Right there. So let's not be surprised as we go throughout 2022 and Sandbox comes all the way down to this ascending line. I'm just prepping you for what could be the inevitable. All right, I'm done. Now, hit me up though. The comment section is open. Give me your price target, your price prediction in the market for Sandbox. Let me know. All right. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.